Hello children, in previous video I have discussed all basic concepts of this chapter. Now I shall discuss few sums how to take out square root. Now first question is given using by prime factorization method. Now of the given value I have to find out some prime factor, that number. Now you have to find whether the number is divisible by 5 or 3. Now last digit is 5, so this number is divisible by 5, but before that I have to check that this number also divisible by 3. Now why 3? Because for all the digits, sum of all the digits is coming 18, so it is divisible by 3. So if I divide by 3, then again it is divisible by 3. Now this number is divisible by 5. Last digit is 5, but sum is not divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 5. Now again by 5. Now to find a square root, we have to take pair of same factor, prime factor. Now if I write square root denoted by this symbol, then you have to write over root 5625 is equals to again over root, then whatever the prime factor we are getting, 3 into 3 into 5 into 5, again 5 into 5. Now children, when we are finding a square root, then we have to separate giving by bracket of same prime factor. Two prime factor, same prime factor, we have to take separately by bracket. Now when square root sign we shall remove, then separately on the single digit we have to take out. Then 3 from out of pair, one number, but root over sign I shall not use. Then 5 out of pair, one single digit number, another pair, again another single digit number I have to write. Now we have to multiply. After multiplying, we shall get the answer 75. So children, square root of given number using by prime factorization method, answer comes 75. Now next question, given to solve by long division method. So what is the number that I am writing? Now in the long division method, from the right side onward, we have to take 2 digits in a group. So 04 in a group, 19 ungroup, number 2. Now what you have to do? You have to make the square number. So 1 ones are 1, but 2 twos are 4. Then this number is not in pair. So this number to either it is same number we have to get or less than, not more than that number. So we can't take 2 twos are 4. It will come. So we can't take 2. So 1 I have to take 1. 1. Then 1 I am writing. The next step. What do you have to do? Then a difference is coming 1. Then another pair I have to take 19. And then double of this number 2. Then I have to get exactly this number or less than this number. To get exactly this number or less than this number, what number I have to take, whatever the number I shall take here, by the same number, this number I have to multiply. Now if I take 5, then it will become more than this number. So I have to take 4. Then if I take 4, I have to multiply by the same number 4. Then it will come 16 and 9. So children, what I have told in these steps, double of this number 2 comes. Then you have to take another number which by that number you have to multiply. Then you have to get either less than this number or exactly this number. So if I take 5, it will become more than this number. So I can't take 5, I have to take 4. So that after multiplying 24 into 4, I am getting 96, which is less than 119. Now 4. I have taken 4, so there also I have to write 4. Now in these steps, what you have to do? Double of 4 means plus 4, then this side I have to write 28. So 28 I am getting. Now what is the remainder comes? Then 3, then 2, 23. Then this pair again you have to take out. Now you have to think that 28 by 28, what number you have to take so that you will get exactly this number or less than this number. Now let's see which number I have to take. Now if I take 8, 2, 8, 8. If you then 8, why I have taken 8? Because last digit is 4. Already you know when that is the property of square. 8 is a unit place. Then when you multiply 8 into 8, then the unit place product value, unit place come 4. So here also unit place 4. So I have taken 8. So it is coming 4, 64, then 76, 23. Exactly I am getting 2304. So in these 3 steps I am getting final answer. What is the answer coming? 148 is the result of square root of the given number by using long division method. So once again long division method I am explaining you. Very carefully listen to me. Now whatever the number is given children, here from the right side onward you have to separate taking 2 digit, and there you see 2 group getting and one is unpaired. So I have to take such a number by the same number I have to multiply so that you I shall get either less than this number or exactly this number. Then if I take 2, it will become more than this number. So I have to take 1. Then 1 into 1, say by exactly by that number only you have to multiply. Then 1 into 1, then 1 comes, then 1 remainder, then another pair you have to take out. Now one more important point I have to discuss here when after taking one pair, if you find that after taking one pair, if you find that there whatever the number is coming, that number is not, you have to take, it is not possible to solve, then another pair, 2 pair together if I have to take, then you have to, before taking this number you have to put here 0 and in answer also 0. When 0 comes here also and there also, when 2 pair together at a time 2 pair you have to take, that time there you have to put 0 and there also you have to put 0, because once only one pair I have to take. So in this sum only one pair taken, then double of this number I have done. Double of this number, 1 plus 1, 2. Now you have to take such a number by the same number you have to multiply. 24 into 4 multiplying 96 comes. So 4 you have to write in answer. Now next steps, you have to find the remainder. What remainder comes? Then this steps double of 4. Then double of 4, 8 comes and 2. Then 2, 28 is there. Now you to think another pair you have taken. Now whatever the number I am getting here, exactly that number I have to find or less than this number. Now I have to check that which number. That last digit is 4. So if I multiply 8 into 8, then 64 is coming. So I have checked by taking 8. Then after taking 8, that number, by that number only, you have to multiply 288 number, you have to multiply by 8. Why by 8? Because 8 you have taken here. So if you multiply by 8, I am getting the exactly same number, so no more steps I have to proceed. So answer I am getting 148. Now next question. Next question is given square root. Why I have taken this question? Because this is the decimal point is given here. So in that case, you have to find, when we are finding the decimal value, here you see after the decimal 2 digit is there. 2 digit means 100. So 100 is the 2 even 0 is there. In case of even 0, in the properties of square I have already discussed that if even 0 is there, then you can find that square of the number. Then what you can write? 17.64. Now at first I shall remove the decimal. I shall remove the decimal. Then I have to take out square root of the given number. Now when separately I have to complete this question. Now here is prime factorization method, either by prime factorization method or long division method. Children, I prefer and I think long division method, once you will understand, sometimes it is become easy for you, because sometimes finding the prime factor is very difficult. So long division method, suppose this question only, long division method, if I use, then from the right side one group, another group taken by taking the 2 digit. Now here 17, so to make it 17 or exactly 17 or less than 17, I have to take 4. Then 4 4s are 16, so 16. Now next remainder comes 1, then 64, another pair. Now double of 4 means 8. Now you have to think exactly to get this number, what number I can take here. Then if I take 2, then 2 2s are 4 and 16, and in this state this sum will complete. Now without the decimal you are getting 42. Now 42, and you know that square root of 100 means 10. Square root of, here you see that square root of 100 means 10. Then when you will convert it into decimal, then you will get your answer 4.2. So I think that better you remove decimal point and you solve either in the prime factorization method or long division method, and then you convert it into decimal. So children, I think that these 3 questions will help you to understand this chapter. Thank you children.